The gifts of Land Cruisers and money to the ZANU-PF provincial chairman are not charity, but due payment for the roles they played in fostering the ED 2030 resolution in the provinces. Today, Wicknell fulfilled his part of the bargain, and to top the cherry on the cake, he rightfully took his place in both the president's helicopter and presidium podium. Sanapinda mashoko buda panguva ine pamusoro pe donation yoitwa naWicknell Chivhayo kunema ZANU-PF provincial chairman achivapa motikari panguva ino ine mari pamwechete nemaambulances. Panguva ino ine mari yachikriticize achiti aiwa musambofunga kuti icharity, but panguva ino ari kuatenda pamusoro pekusapota the Vision 2030 resolution apo wanofa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Lene mani rambira achiti after all, Wicknell is literally running the show in ZANU-PF party. He has full control of the provinces through the provincial chairman and the state through control of the treasury. Today's event, particularly Wicknell's moment of glory, deeply hit Kubakwashe, who has tried and failed to capture ZANU-PF in similar fashion. To register his displeasure, Kubakwashe was loudly absent from today's proceedings. He was somewhere sobbing and throwing childish tantrums. The country has hit the boiling point. Guys, get ready to defend the constitution on the streets against Rigananda, Abasha Rigananda. If Thomas Karuda Panapa, Ashtaubwa made the popular critic on social media with the ruling party ZANU-PF achiti aiwa zvirikuitwa aiwa nezvigananda panguva ino taneta nazvo. Mbotidza mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pamusoro aiwa the donation yoita naWicknell Chivhayo muri kuona in the pictures yemotokari aiwa dzemandorokwati dzinodhura motokari chaidzo panguva inoi achiti aiwa vari kutenda for their loyalty nekuindosa mutungamiri wenyika. Pinai musection medu dzamafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell.